How can somebody make 100K in 12 months using Claude, the greatest research tool ever, and Printify, probably the greatest side hustle platform ever? Let's find out. So I'm gonna be creating a tailor-made plan for me that I can start working as of today or tomorrow, based on a specific research of what is working right now on the internet, analyzing all the people that made that amount of money or more, and what are the specific numbers of products, designs, listings, the steps I need to follow, every single detail. Now, doesn't mean that I will get 100K, but like with everything, you set a goal, right? You reverse engineer from this goal to today, and you start following the steps. You might reach the target, you might not, you might even surpass it. Depends on your skill set, your hunger, your consistency, and your ability to learn fast, adapt, change stuff, and try again. So if you're ready to see how we're gonna do it, this video is for you. We're gonna use Claude, which probably is the best research tool right now out there. I'm not affiliated to it, but I've tested everything for many different reasons, and this can really do the deepest kind of research for sophisticated topics, especially in my field, marketing, business, AI, side hustles, etc. So I will use this prompt that you're going to find in the description that says, I want a solid plan to make 100K in the next 12 months with print on demand using Printify and Claude. So I want you to make a deep research about what has worked before in every possible niche. What are the current trends? What are the sub-niches? Very important. Based on Pinterest trends and Etsy bestsellers that can help me sell faster. What are the items also for Printify catalog, which has more than 1,300 products that can be smartest choice with the best margins and fastest delivery. This is key. We want to create products that can be delivered fast and give us the greatest possible margin so you can use it for marketing. Please give me a plan for the next 12 months and the designs also should go after. And Claude will give you a shocking research outcome. It will check all those resources that you see right here. Axio, which is Alibaba's AI tool. Printify's different research and courses. The most recent research from eRank that gives you an understanding of the market. Forecasts about the future of print on demand. Etsy articles, so it gives you the best understanding about everything that's happening in the market for this specific topic. And check this out. It broke down the entire plan into the revenue target that you see right here. The target margin, which is 40 to 45% after fees and shipping, which is really a solid profit margin you should be targeting for anything you want to start online. The listings that we need, as you see, most people that have managed to succeed with print on demand are going after 10 new designs per week. You understand why most people fail? Which means 500 plus listings per year. And that's how people are making money with print on demand. And as you see, the holiday season brings them the best results. Now, Claude will also break down for me the 12-month phased plan. With the first one, the foundation to open an Etsy account and Shopify, to set up the Printify premium account. This is based on the results, right? Based on people that really make up to 10K per month with print on demand. Pick 2 core niches, have Claude design the prompt system, publish 60 listings in the first couple of months. You don't have to spend anything in ads, as you see right here, so you can start organically to see what exactly you can do. And then you have the phase 2 for months 3 to 5, 6 to 9, and 10 to 12. So you have 4 different phases. You see all the details, how to expand in different niches, how to kill the non-performers, right? Very important. You need to clear your catalog and come up with new listings that can really enhance your portfolio. Start with some Etsy ads in phase 2, and then you see the plan for phase 3 and phase 4, especially after you see your first designs work and how you can really scale that. But we're not done yet. Check the details here. You see the top niches to target based on the research that Claude did for us, right? Pet lovers, the hottest ones, occupations and professions like nurses, teachers, firefighters, year-round gifting on demand, astrology and spirituality, evergreen niches like family, hobbies, humor and sarcasm, and also rising niches, wellness and fitness, digital nomad, etc. And based on that, it will also give you the best Printify products by margin, delivery, and speed. So you can select out of the huge catalog of Printify, which is 1,300 products long, the ones that give you fast delivery, 2 to 5 days as you see right here, 45 to 50% margins, and the cost to make, so you can understand how much to sell it for, which items to select, a ceramic mug, embroidered hat, phone cases. You also have here the monthly revenue ramp. So based on the plan, if you followed it, how your monthly revenue could look like. And as you see, the first couple of months might have zero revenue. That's a very common situation. This is how things happen to most people, right? Things start scaling, then you might have a slower month, and so on and so forth. And then you have the design concepts per niche. You can tap for every single one of them right here and see what exactly you could potentially follow. And also Claude will give you the step-by-step plan for the next 7 days so you can know exactly what you can do day by day, right? Today I start with this. I create my Printify account, my Etsy account, I pick my niche, next day you do this, etc. And you see here that you have a dynamic table that you click on the niches that we selected that are good for us, evergreen, rising, trending right now. And you can click on pets, professions, astrology, family, and you see potential and suggested prompts to create designs that can be appealing and can make the whole plan work. And as we said before, we're not going after 1 or 2 designs. We want to start with 30, 40, 50 different ones for 1 or 2 niches for the phase 1, right? So I'm gonna select one of them and go to Gemini, like for example, to start with a pet lovers niche. And I will ask Gemini to create something that I can fit on t-shirts, apparel, mugs, etc. for golden retrievers that make everything better. And Gemini will give me this amazing design. Looks really cool, right? You can obviously regenerate that, come up with something even more unique, find the reference images from Etsy or other stores that you have seen designs that really fit your aesthetics, because above everything, if you want to follow a specific niche, a specific side hustle, you need to enjoy it. First of all, it needs to have your own signature, right? Your own aesthetic approach. So don't do something just because it might work if you don't like it. Find something that you like. Of course, it's based on the research that we showed before. And you can do that for a couple of niches that you find interesting. I would do sports, for example, and I would do entrepreneurship. You can do pets and you can do veganism. You can do everything that you want, right? It's risk-free. You can do that as many times as you want. You can have a catalog of thousands of different listings, and you can select on Printify right here. I would go with the best sellers, to be honest, because it really helps you find things that are proven within Printify as well. Select also the economy shipping, so it can really make it easier for your potential clients to buy from you without a surprise fee, and start designing as many products as you want, like a spiral notebook or a mug or whatever else. Make sure also to select the country you're sending your products from, because if you are in US, you don't want a supplier that produces products in Europe. The shipping might take a bigger time, and that's not gonna help you at all. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you're going after, if you're following the Claude plan that I just showed you. And remember, for every single one of you, you might see different results because Claude knows you, knows your previous results. You might give some context as well, that I'm a fan of this or I enjoy this, so make it custom to me and let me know how it goes. We used 2 platforms, Claude and Printify, to design a 100K plan. Doesn't mean that we're gonna get there. Some people might go above that. Many people will not even make a single sale, that's the reality, but the opportunity is there. And you, my friend, are a simply hustler, so I know that you're gonna grab it. See you in the next video.